Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the PS4 error code NW-31297-2. And yeah, so let's get into it. So the first thing you guys can do is simply turn off your PS4, and you're going to put this PS4 into safe mode. Now in order to put a PS4 into safe mode, you're going to have to hold on the power button on your PS4 for about 6 to 8 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. And also you're going to have to make sure that this blinking light has been completely turned off. That is how you can put your PS4 into safe mode. Now let's just wait for the light to turn off, and still not turned off. Okay, now that it's turned off, we can hold on the power button until we hear 2 beeps. That was the first one. The second one should come like shortly after. And that was the second one. Now once we hear the second one, we can let go. And then also another thing to keep in mind is you're going to need to have a charger, or basically just like a USB cable for this. And yeah. Now, once the screen does pop up, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the PS button. You're going to scroll down until you see Rebuild Database, and you're simply going to click on OK. Now, once this finishes rebuilding, you guys should be good to go. The error code should be fixed, and and then you're going to just be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.